right, guys, we need to talk about ApeCoin here. Now, ApeCoin is pumping once again after a pullback. A few days ago, we got this run up on the 20th, and we've been pumped up all the way to about the 21st of October, and then we slowly started to grind down. And as I said, guys, we were probably going to come down. Now, I didn't know how low. I did talk about retesting 87 here, but we didn't do that. It looks like we're not going to do that. Now, we actually did kind of retest it on the 4-hour chart, but it's kind of the wrong time frame to look at it. If we look at the daily, chart, it only retested here at $1.12. So, I would like to retest this, but I guess actually if I zoom in here, maybe we did retest it and I just missed it. Yeah, so we did retest it right there. So, okay, we're good to go, guys. And yeah, I mean, we pumped through these resistances, and now we're coming back and we're retesting this support. So that's actually good to see, guys, on the daily time frame here, testing the daily support. Just at the ApeCoin Twitter, and the only thing I could really find that was interesting was from about 15 hours ago. Now, that's not why we're pumping, though, but ApeChain, TX volume tied with ETH mainnet TX volume yesterday. So we'll see if ApeChain, passes the ETH mainnet today. But I don't really see anything else that would cause, ApeCoin to really pump at the moment. So, and this really just started, guys, in the last hour or so, as you can see here. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. I don't know what's really going on. Now, if we take a look at token unlocks here, there is an upcoming event for ApeCoin in about 22 days. They're unlocking 2.16% of the circulating supply. Guys, already 75% of this is unlocked. I wouldn't really worry so much about a 2% unlock. Yeah, okay, it's going to have a little bit of an effect, but as long as, ApeCoin and the whole, what is it? I forget what they're called, the Bored Apes and things. They continue, to grow, and yeah, everything will be fine, guys. I'm just not really, worried about ApeCoin and unlocks here in the short term. So yeah, that's just my opinion, guys. Now, ApeCoin, it does have a max supply of 1 billion, which is quite low, guys. Circulating, like I said, it's already like 75%. So yeah, I mean, we can see, guys, I am in a loss myself, but I'm not worried about it, guys. My average cost is still fairly low. Take a quick look here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually pumping a little bit here, and really hasn't really started to pump that much until right now. So that may be why ApeCoin is pumping too. As you can see, in the last couple of hours, we've been pumping. Actually, we've been pumping maybe since what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 hours ago. So we're trying to break through resistance here at 68.5, let's say. Let's see if we can do that and move up to the next level at 69.4 on the daily time frames, guys. So everything's still looking okay for Bitcoin. Let me put this on the daily time frame. Yeah, looks really nice, guys. Yesterday we had a bullish engulfing candle, a very big one, in fact. And today we're kind of getting a green hammer candle. So that's really nice to see as well, guys. We only have a few more resistances to break, and then we're basically at all-time highs again. The Bitcoin dominance, you can see that it is rising, and it has been rising just really recently in the last, hour or so, maybe? Yeah, I mean, okay, 13:30, so last maybe 2-3 hours. So not good to see that, especially if you hold a ton of altcoins, like myself. And but yeah, guys, it's just going up. So we gotta be patient, with our altcoins. And yeah, let's take a quick look at the economic calendar now. Today we did have core durable goods. Everything was okay. Michigan numbers were also okay today. But yeah, it wasn't really a big day, in fact. Interest rate cuts, guys. It does look like 98% chance we're going to get at least a quarter-point cut. Still, there's 2.3, 2% or so, we can say, that believe we're not going to get any cut, which I highly doubt. I do think we will get a quarter, point cut. Now, We still have a couple weeks, so probably next week I'll start to speculate a little bit more if there's anything to speculate about, guys. I mean, it looks pretty sure, but you know, the last cut too looked pretty sure as well. You know, for a quarter point until the very end. So we'll see, guys. Quick look at the crypto fear and greed index. We're at 72. Yesterday was 69. So yeah, that's, you know, still a little bit concerning because you don't really want to see greed too much. You kind of want to just stay in the middle. Always, you know, when you start to see green and greed and things and extreme greed, you can start to expect probably a crash, guys. So it's not really good. But, you know, you can stay in greed a long time before you have a crash too. Now, altcoin season index, let me refresh this and see if it updates. But okay, we're at 37. So it is starting to go up a little bit, guys. If I zoom out, you can see we are stepping up here. Slowly but surely. Now, you know, if we can get above 50, I think that's when we'll probably rocket up to altcoin season. Crypto bubbles, guys, if we take a look at this, 50-50 green. Now, like I said, ApeCoin is up. It's pumping for an unknown reason, but we'll see, guys. Maybe there will be some news that comes out and just haven't heard it yet. Now, if you want to stake your ApeCoin, you can go to Coinondo. Be aware Bit2Me requires their token, and you have to have quite a bit to get this number here. Now, the upside of that is that you can change Bit2Me when you get that, you can change it to ApeCoin immediately every day. You have to have a lot of it. So totally up to you. You know, I tried Bit2Me before, and yeah, you don't get the full rewards though, guys. Now XT has, you know, some basically timed staking here, 90 days, 60 days. So yeah, that's the best, you know, on this chart here. Not really a chart, but on this list where I stake my coins is BitGet. Just to let you know, I think I get like 12% and I stake for like 14 days, guys. So yeah, I could send it around, get a little bit better percent, but I don't really want to do that when we're getting into the last phase of this bull run, guys. So anyways, if you like this video about ApeCoin and Bitcoin and everything else that was in this video, give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys, for supporting the channel.